Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greeting Ali Sharma here. How are you people? I hope you're happy, healthy and safe. Today in this video, I'm gonna introduce you a new charger the SkyRC has dropped. I don't know if it's still new or not. I'm a little late. But this is Q100 Neo from SkyRC. And to be honest, all the chargers that currently I am using without any issues for years are SkyRC battery chargers. Very happy with them. Here it is. Inside the box we have a wall outlet cable. Okay, we have the specs and the user manual for Q100 Neo, and then finally we have the charger right here for you. So let's fire it up right away. First off, you can power it both AC or DC. So if we come at the back side, you can see that we have AC power port and we have DC power port. On AC, it gives you 100 watt of charging, and on DC power, it gives you up to 240 watt of charging. So I'm just gonna plug it in, and there you go. Never charge the batteries unsupervised. Yes, you must not charge batteries unsupervised. All right, now that the charger is on, as you can see, there is a nice color LCD. There is a port button and a dial, and to be honest, it actually feels nice and precise. You can see that, you can hear it, right? And it feels really nice. So you can select A, B, C, D, or you can use port button to select A, B, C, D, all four ports. And yes, that's why it's called Q100, because it is a quattro, 4-port, A, B, C, D. You can charge 4 batteries at the same time. You have to press and hold the dial. How long? I don't know. I'm just holding it. Yeah. Oh, that was pretty long to hold it. So now we have task, parameter, preferences, DC power. Yes, you can also use this charger as a DC power supply. And we have a battery meter, user guide, factory settings, should you want to set back to factory setting, system info, regulatory, and back. Okay, so let's say task parameter, you can set safety timer, max capacity, trickle charge, which is nice. I like trickle charge. Let's keep it open. All right, 50 milliamp. Keep voltage off. I don't understand what is this, so I will keep it off. Then we have preferences, language. You have multi languages actually. So you have English, Dutch, Chinese, Espanol, Francis. Okay, I'll keep it in English. Then we have max power input, minimum input voltage, LCD backlight. All right, screen timeout. Let's just make it 5 minutes screen timeout. Okay, keep press beep low, make it middle. Nah, I like it high, so let's make it high. Let it bother us. Okay, and then we have notify beep. Oh, this should be high, so you know your battery has been charged. Completion tone, let it bother us by repeating. Yes, so we know the batteries have been charged. Warning is on and back. So those were preferences for DC power. You can set up a voltage, okay, and current, and then you can start and it will turn into a power supply. All right, battery meter, factory setting, blah blah blah, go back. So now when you want to charge, you just go in, click again on the dial. You have battery type, so you can have LiPo, LiHV, LiFe, Lion, NiCad, NiMH, PB batteries. Okay, and the cell count comes automatically once the battery is connected. Task, you have balance charge, charge, storage, discharge. Okay, I'll keep it on balance charge, condition, charge current, and you can start it. If you want to go to another port, you can just simply go with the port button, or you can just go back here, press the port button until you go back to all 4. So it's basically very easy to use. Now if you're looking at the charger, 4 ports on the front, okay, on the bottom, nice vents right here, SkyRC info here. There's a nice fan on the back, okay, and it is a smart fan, intelligent smart fan, so automatically detects if your charger needs cooling and it will turn on. And to start testing it, I have 4S battery for my FW450V3. It is a LiHV compatible, actually LiHV, LiPo, a high voltage LiPo. So I'm just gonna plug it in and go to A. It shows 3.8, so LiHV 4.3, and let's make it 2 amp. All right, start, press. All right, there you go. It's a start charging, and I can just go here and I can see what is happening with my battery values. Okay, I can see the resistance, cell resistance is still good. It's still good, not bad. So all you can see is cell voltage and cell resistance. So let it charge, and in the meantime I can just put another battery, charge it. Here on the D I will put a small battery. Okay, on B I will put a NiCad. Okay, and here I will put a 3-cell. So we have 4-cell NiCad 7.4 volt, and a 3-cell right there, the small mini one. Okay, now it is, as you can see, a kind of a struggle to connect the, and I believe I've connected it right, to connect the battery balance leads. This is kind of a struggle. And the thing that you're gonna hate about this charger is that you cannot charge 6-cell batteries with it, because the balance port only takes maximum 4 cells. So this charger is not designed to do 6-cell batteries, and that is what you're gonna simply hate about it. What if you have RC helicopters that are using 6-cell batteries, or drones that are using 6-cell batteries, and you can see there's no way I can connect this balance lead because it is maximum 4-cell battery. What a bummer. Absolutely hate this thing. So this charger is only for those who use maximum 4-cell batteries. All right, let's see. So we're gonna go to B and say 9 mAh. Okay, 7.2 volt, charge current 3, start. Value will be set in all channels, no. Then the third battery is LiPo, 3-cell, and it's a small battery, so I'm just gonna put it to 1.5 amp. Start, no. I have to tell it to not set same thing on all channels, which is annoying each time I have to do that. And this is a very small battery, so I'm just gonna go 0.7 amp LiPo and say no on this. All right, now my A is LiHV, B is 9 mAh, C is LiPo, and D is LiPo as well. So I'm charging 4 batteries at the same time. But I hate it that I cannot charge 6-cell batteries. SkyRC, really? Why? Well, thank you very much for watching this video, people. This is a SkyRC Q100 Neo. Only maximum charge for 4-cell batteries. Charges 4 batteries at a time, but once again, up to 4S only. No 6S batteries, people. If you like the charger, go ahead for it. And if you don't, well, the best chargers that are staying with me, look, dusty, but SkyRC D200 Neo never disappoints. And if you have big bricks to charge, is SkyRC T1000 Maestro is gonna be your best choice. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.